Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku 6th edition. It is practice problem 6.2 and we are asked to determine the current through the capacitor. And the question is, if a 10 microfarad capacitor is connected to a voltage source with V of t is equal to 20 cos 200 t volts, determine the current through the capacitor. And the answer is given in this problem itself. So the question is to find the current through the capacitor, and the data given is C is equal to 10 microfarad. Microfarad means it is 10 power minus 6. Voltage V of t is equal to 20 cos 200 t volts. So the formula to use is I is equal to C into dV by dt. This is the fourth formula. So in this formula, just you substitute as well as we need to find out the derivative of the voltage, that is d by dt of this voltage. So I is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 6. This is for the capacitance. We have substituted. And for this d by dt of voltage, we have substituted the given value 20 cos 200t. So when you actually differentiate that voltage with respect to time, we'll get it as minus of this 20 into sine 200t into 200. Okay, that is the differentiation with this minus sign. So after that, if you multiply the values available here, it is minus 10 power minus 2 into 4 into sine of 200t. So it can be written as minus 0.04 sine of 200t amperes. So now we have got this answer in amperes. If you want, we can convert it into milliamps by multiplying it with the 1000, isn't it? Okay, this is the required answer, which is given in the problem itself. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understood.